Yes, you have to sit up front. So you found the facility again. That's very cool.
Yes. Luckily, I was not directed to the rubble pile.
See, the younger girls sit up front.
Well, that's because everyone's taking the seat.
I figured I had an address, but I used the receipt real quick. As fast as possible.
Okay, you have 20 seconds.
Don't be tardy.
Okay, so, well, we still got 5 seconds, but why, you know, I asked a couple folks when they first came in, but why this session? Why did you choose this one? Anybody have any? All the other ones were full, and okay, what are you hoping to get out of it?
Creating PowerPoint presentations is something that I know I've done a lot in college and things like that, so
Okay.
student teaching. So I'd like to make them take it to the next level.
Okay.
Getting the training on it.
Okay. Well, this is really a conceptual thing. Okay, so, but I'll show you some cool tips on how to make it work. But really, it comes down to just PowerPoint, right? It's about a presentation software. So, without further ado, I mentioned the hashtag, right? YOTech 2012. If you're on Twitter, feel free to jump on there and tweet your heart away. Let me know what you think. Right? If the session was good or bad. Okay. So, someone somewhere is out giving a bad PowerPoint presentation. Okay. That's a given. I've been to many conferences, and many conferences there are PowerPoints